Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Taurus. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, cross-traffic alert, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.